Good afternoon. Wow, what an exciting day in the stock market. The great bear raid continues with GME and Koss and some of these other heavily shorted companies. I traded out of GME and Koss today, and then I tried to get back in, and my broker would not allow me to buy. I was told that these stocks can only be liquidated now. And so that's pretty interesting. So it turns out that if you are a small independent person such as myself, and you get into a trade and it goes against you and you lose money, you have to suck it up and lose money. And if it's really bad, you get to file bankruptcy and lose your house. But if you're a billion-dollar hedge fund operation with political connections, then you can make a few phone calls and get a hold of your brokers, IB Broker and Robinhood and some of the others, and convince them to not let people buy the stocks that you shouldn't have shorted in the first place. And they will do it. That's unbelievable. But as of today, that's the situation that we're in. My understanding is that Robinhood Brokers has been sued already over this, and that the lawsuit was filed today. I would not be surprised if other brokerage firms are going to get hit next. The firm that told me I couldn't trade anymore was IB Brokers. So hopefully some other people who traded there who have more time than me to pursue this will investigate it. I will probably call the SEC and lodge a complaint, because it certainly looks like there's some kind of big bid rigging or something like that going on. I mean, how can you tell all of your other clients they can't buy a stock because one of your friends who owns 50 boats is losing money? That's absolutely insane. At least that's what it seems like it happened. Anyway, let's go back to the daily trading report. Let's talk about my top 3 trades for today. Well, not my top 3 trades, but my top 3 performing stocks. GBR had a nice base, long accumulation period, and then it popped up, had another good base for about a month. So I placed an order to buy on a price breakout with volume, and that happened today. I was filled at 346, and as of right now in the overnight trading, it's still kind of trading around. That one was at 1550, so we'll see what happens on that. As of right now, it's 548%. My other big percentage gain for the day was Jan 1. Jan 1, I think we talked about this one before, but this one has a fabulous base. Look at that. This thing's been basing since September. Nice broad smile. Got a smile on the volume, rising OBV. This is exactly the kind of stock that I get excited about. This one, I think I got in yesterday, maybe the day before, at $5.99. It's trading, well, I don't have a quote on it, so I don't know where it's trading right now. 1147, I guess, but it got all the way up to 30 today. That's pretty sweet. But at 1147, that represents a 20% gain on the day. So that's pretty nice. KOPN, this is another stock with another long-term base. And I don't know if you're catching a trend here or not, but you kind of want to find stocks that are putting in long bases if you want to trade the way I do. I don't recommend you trade. You probably shouldn't. You'll probably lose money. But if you do trade the way I do, this is what I look for. Nice long base with a big happy smile, breakout on volume, followed up with more volume. I got in at 263. The stock is at 510 right now. It was actually only up 6% for the day, but yeah, it was 150 bucks. So, hey, you can't beat that, right? I got stopped out of a lot of things today. I got angry today because I was not allowed to trade in a stock that I believe I should have been allowed to trade in due to market manipulation and the bigwigs protecting each other. So I liquidated a lot of stuff. Then I went into another account and I still bought those stocks. I just bought them at another company because it turns out not everybody is blocking trades. There are only some brokers who have decided that it's up to them to pick winners and losers in the stock market rather than let the market decide. Well, you know what? I'm not going to put up with that. And even if I lose money in the other account, I don't care. I actually bought more stock than I had before, specifically to make the point you can't tell me what to do. It's legal for me to trade. I'm going to trade, and I don't care if you like it or not. Happy trading.